In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Dhgate 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so prices show in the currency you actually use, making it easier to compare deals and understand totals at checkout. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com. Give the homepage a moment to load. For the best results, make sure you're logged in so your preference is saved to your account and stays consistent the next time you visit. You can access your profile from the top of the site once you're signed in. With your profile open, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You're looking for a small flag icon. This icon usually sits near other quick settings and may appear alongside a language or currency indicator. It's easy to miss if you're scrolling quickly, so take a second to scan that top area carefully. Click the flag icon to open the settings panel. A small window or drop-down will appear with options related to region and display settings. In that panel, locate the currency section. This is where you'll choose how prices are shown across the site. Next, click the drop-down arrow in the currency section. This reveals a list of available currencies. Browse the list until you see the one you prefer. If you shop internationally, choose the currency you understand best to avoid mental conversion. Keep in mind that displayed prices are based on Dhgate's current conversion rates, which may differ slightly from your bank's final rate. Select your preferred currency from the list. After making your selection, look for the Save button in the same panel. Click Save to confirm and apply your change. The page may refresh, or you may see a brief loading indicator. Once it's done, product pages, search results, and your cart should display prices in the currency you chose. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or navigate to a product listing to verify the change. Still not updating? Ensure you're signed in so the preference sticks, and consider clearing your browser cache if it looks cached. Also note that while item prices switch to your chosen currency, taxes, shipping, or payment provider messages might still reference the seller's base currency until the final checkout step. That's all you need to do. Go to Dhgate, open your profile, click the flag in the upper right, choose your currency from the drop-down, and save. Simple, quick, and it makes shopping much clearer. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother checkout experience with your preferred currency on Dhgate.